not hardly any noise. And I could have shouted at it, but I was just like, don't move, let's just stare at this thing. uh, the most interesting thing that I saw right up in front of me and Moses, my cat's eyes, was ball lightning. And or you could call it ball lightning, or you can call it an orb. But when they describe how the UFO tic tacs move and how they move in like an uncertain pattern, like it has a brain of its own, but it's all over the place. Like that's how this ball lightning was.